Here's a 2018 Lexus LS. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: integrated navigation system with voice activation, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, power tilt-down heated mirrors, hands-free liftgate, automatic continuously variable transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, entertainment system with Blu-ray and digital media, heated steering wheel, height adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, configurable instrument gauges, and V6 engine. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us now for more information on this vehicle or visit today. We're conveniently located at 13909 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway in Chantilly.